ChromeForge AI has just been released, and today we're going over 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or someone just exploring the latest tools, this video will give you a clear understanding of what ChromeForge AI is and whether it's worth your time. Stick around to the end because I'll also share where you can try it completely free. Trust me, you'll want to know how this software can transform your workflow. First, let's dive into what makes ChromeForge AI stand out from the competition. This software was designed with simplicity in mind, making it perfect for both seasoned professionals and beginners. If you're looking to streamline your digital processes or enhance productivity with AI, ChromeForge AI could be the tool you've been searching for. But what exactly does it do? Well, ChromeForge AI excels in automating and optimizing tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming. From content creation to customer support automation, this tool integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow. It's powerful yet user-friendly, so you can hit the ground running without wasting time learning complicated features. It's got a sleek interface and features that make it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Another thing I really appreciate about ChromeForge AI is its flexibility. Whether you're in marketing, sales, or project management, this software adapts to your needs. It uses advanced algorithms to help you analyze data and make informed decisions faster. The speed at which it processes information is impressive, and it's clear that the developers built it to maximize efficiency. What truly sets ChromeForge AI apart, though, is its ability to generate high-quality content. With AI-powered writing and editing tools, you can produce articles, blog posts, and even social media captions in a fraction of the time. It's like having a personal assistant that's always on point. For digital marketers or content creators, this feature alone can drastically improve your output and help you stay ahead of the competition. Speaking of staying ahead, ChromeForge AI also has some really great customer support automation. It can handle inquiries, generate responses, and follow up on leads. This is a game changer if you're dealing with high volumes of customer interactions and want to scale without adding a huge team. Automating these processes frees up your time for other crucial tasks. Now, you might be wondering if this tool is difficult to integrate into your current system. The short answer is no. ChromeForge AI has been designed for ease of use, and setting it up is straightforward. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find the interface intuitive. The AI doesn't require complex setups, which means you can start reaping the benefits right away. It's important to note that while ChromeForge AI is powerful, it's not perfect. Some users have reported a learning curve when first using the advanced features, but this is to be expected with any new tool. Once you get the hang of it, however, the payoff is substantial. So, what's the bottom line here? ChromeForge AI is an incredibly powerful tool that can save you time, boost your productivity, and help you make smarter business decisions. It's a solid choice if you're looking for AI software that's easy to use and versatile. If you want to try ChromeForge AI for yourself, you can sign up through the link in the description below, where you can access it completely free. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and after testing this one, I can confidently say it's one you should definitely check out. I've also included my recommended AI tools for you to explore, so make sure you take a look at those as well. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to check out the links below and start using these tools to take your business to the next level.